Under construction, brand new custom one-level home should be finished by end of November. Interior pictures of sold home next door, 3-bed/2 baths, great open floor plan that is light and bright, gourmet kitchen with granite countertops and soft close cabinets, natural gas heat, air conditioning, hot water heater and range, great master suite with tile shower and heated tile floor. Audio/video/internet plumbed throughout. Double attached garage. Good taste and quality show throughout this developer's homes.